Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a 5.3 magnitude earthquake hitting Florina in Greece on January the 9th, 2021. Residents left their homes following the earthquake as buildings shook from the force of the shake. Walls were damaged with debris left in streets. Roads were closed to traffic due to the damage caused. The initial earthquake hit at a depth of 14 kilometers and was followed by aftershocks, including one measuring 4.2 magnitude. The earthquake was unexpected as the fault causing it had not previously been identified by scientists. Tremors from the earthquake were felt in neighbouring countries including North Macedonia, Kosovo and Bulgaria, as well as in nearby cities in the north of Greece, such as Thessaloniki. Shops and schools were closed in Florina following the earthquake as fears grew of further seismic activity. Authorities are monitoring the situation as it develops. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.